There are a bunch of ways to view your records in Ontraport depending on the task you're working on. If you manage a lot of one-on-one interactions, you'll spend a good deal of time in Quick View. In this video, I'll show you how it works. Quick View is a slick one-screen summary of all the most important details about a contact. It also lets you send texts and emails to that contact, fire off tasks, log calls, update notes, and more. Quick View is totally customizable, so you can see whatever data is relevant for the task you are working on. If you're prepping for a consultation call, you might pull up your client's marketing goals or company info. If you're managing customer satisfaction, you can pull up your customer feedback fields. Let's check it out. You can get to Quick View by clicking on any contact. Some people prefer Detail View and make that their default instead. If that's how your account is set up, just click this icon. You can switch which view is the default view, which is reached by clicking the icon in the Personalize section in Administration. No matter which view you're looking at, you can get to the other one by clicking here or here. Now that you're in Quick View, let's get familiar with the layout. You should see three sections: an overview on the left, your fields in the middle, and related records on the right. I'll show you each section. Your overview section is exactly what it sounds like. It gives you a big picture view of your record. In this top section, you'll see your contact's name, photo, and company if you've collected that information. Click any of these action buttons to send a message to your contact, log notes about a call with them, and lots more. Then you have your overview fields. These will tell you about the person's contact information and your last conversation. But you can always customize this part to show your other data. It's all up to you. You could also store your contact social media profiles down here. That's it for the overview section. Pretty straightforward. Now let's take a look at your fields. The fields section is in the center of your Quick View. You can add any fields you want here. This way you only see information you need, no more, no less. That makes it easier to focus on the task at hand. To customize your fields, go to Settings and pick which ones you want to add. Drag them up and down to change the order. That leaves us with one more section in Quick View: Related Records. Over here, you'll find widgets for several different kinds of related records, including tasks, notes, and other objects related to your contact. Just like in the Fields section, you can decide which information to include here. For example, a veterinarian might add pet fields here to see which animals belong to a particular owner. Or a fitness coach could add fields for each client's personal health goals. It depends on the information you typically reference the most. So now you can customize your Quick View to see details for individual contacts. Let's take it a step further and create Quick View settings for specific groups of contacts. Let's say you want to call all your new qualified leads. You'll start by creating a group in your contact collection. Set conditions so everyone in the group is a qualified lead. Then click a contact in your group's Quick View to pick out whatever fields you want to see. Say all the qualified leads completed a Contact Us form when they shared their contact info and asked a question. You can add the fields from that form to your Fields section here. That way, you'll have everything you need to know about your prospect right in front of you during the call. When you're happy with your fields, you can start making calls. Just use these buttons to flip through each contact in your group as you go. If you ever want to set up default fields for Quick View, just select All from your group dropdown. From there, you can go to Quick View and change your fields. Then, because each group saves its own display setup, including what fields to show in Quick View, you can create different groups with different sets of fields. Maybe you have a group of team members who submitted a request for new equipment, so you'll want to see what they're asking for, what they've got already, and how urgent they think the request is. So you can quickly flip through each of these requests by clicking Next and seeing just the right information. There you go. You now know how Quick View works. Now you can use it to access data, streamline your workflow, and navigate groups of contacts more easily. If you want to learn more about viewing your data, check out our videos about Card View, Details View, and organizing your data with groups.